The image on the right, chronologically the parrot, as it bears the resemblance, even when viewed safely. It is reconstruction of the Berman and Turner's original logic imaging technique. Image produced by Cambridge Pudding Lab 4, now obviously defunct, at some point in 1983. The image, along with several others, inadvertently produced, most famously Landlord's Burlesque, and the imagery produced by the typical graphical error in your Sinclair number 23's Fun with Fractals feature, generates the patterns of the human visual system cannot easily deal with. This so-called Gaudian shock input can, to put it crudely, crash the human brain. The image does not usually produce any immediate effect due to the delayed neurochemical encoding of Gaudian spoilers. It is usually triggered several days later upon viewing any repetitive image that triggers the memory into recalling the original.